Hi everyone! In this video we're going to talk about the importance of operating context. I am in the gorgeous city of Santiago, Chile. I just started a 3-hour walking tour with my guide, and we happened upon some school kids just getting out of school, and they were so friendly. They wanted to practice their English and they were asking me all kinds of questions, and we took the metro here, the subway here, and there was a lovely young lady sitting next to us and we were talking to her. The people of Chile are so friendly and so warm and so welcoming. And it's not always that way. I travel a lot, and sometimes you go places and people aren't super friendly. So it reminds me about operating context and our physical assets. Because when it comes to maintenance and how we maintain our equipment, where it is used, for example, are we using it in some way where it is really cold, where it's snowing? Are we operating our equipment in the desert? How often are we using it? Is it running 24/7? Are we only using it 3 times a week? All of these things matter. You could have an identical asset, but the maintenance that we might do on it, we may do different maintenance tasks. We may do the same tasks but at different intervals. So it's really important to consider operating context when you are creating a maintenance plan for your equipment. And reliability-centered maintenance helps us to do that. So just remember operating context. Sometimes the most simple things are very easily overlooked just because we're humans and we most of the time focus on the complex. So it's really important that you consider that. So I'm Nancy Regan from the gorgeous city of Santiago, Chile, in front of the Presidential Palace. Thank you for watching.